Good evening, students. So, after volume of cylinder, today we are going to start with volume of cone. That exercise 13.7 volume of cone. Next topic we will do. So, let us see. If we are taking a cylinder and a cone of same height and same radius, then we will see that capacity of a cylinder is equal to capacity of three cones. Here we have taken a cylinder of height h and radius r and a cone of same height h and same radius r. And we have seen that one cylinder is equal to three cones. Here three portion and one is equal to one cone. So we can see volume of cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h, where pi r square h is volume of cylinder, means volume of cone is 1/3 of volume of cylinder. So this is the formula will be used in exercise 13.7. Let us start with exercise. In first question, you have to find the volume of the right circular cone with radius 6 and height 7. We have given radius and the height. Volume is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Put all the values: pi 22 upon 7, r 6 and h 7. When we will do the calculation, we get 264 cubic centimeter. This is the volume of the given cone. Now in its second part is also same. You can try by yourself. Now second question. Here radius is given 7 centimeter and slant height is given 25. As we know in formula we required h, but we have given L. So firstly we have to find h by using Pythagoras theorem. H will be square root of L square minus R square. 25 square minus 7 square, that is 576 square root, and it will be 24 centimeter. Now we apply same formula, 1 by 3 pi R square h, pi 22 upon 7, R 7 and h is 24. By doing calculation we will get 1232 cubic centimeter. Okay, and its second part is also same. In second part height is given, slant height is given. Firstly we will find radius and then volume. Third question, height of a cone given 15 centimeter and volume given 1570 cubic centimeter. Radius of base we have to find, and here pi is given 3.14. So same value we will take. As volume is given, firstly we will apply the formula of volume. H 15, volume 1570. R we have to find. Use formula 1 by 3 pi r square h. Put the value of pi and h. Okay, and when we do the calculation, here 15 will be divided, 3.14 also in denominator, and 3 will be multiplied. Cross multiplication we have done. R square 100 and R is 10 centimeter. This is how to find the radius by using volume. Similarly, next question, we have given height and volume, and again we have to find its diameter. Here in this question we have to find diameter. So firstly we have to find radius, but here volume is given 48 pi. It means in calculation there is no need to put the value of pi, as it is pi we can take. Okay, pi cancel on both sides. R square is equal to 16 and R is 4 centimeter. But diameter also we have to find. Diameter is twice of radius, so 2 into 4, that is 8 centimeter. This is question number 4. Now let us start with next question. In question number 5, conical pit of top diameter 3.5 meter and 12 meter deep. This is H and R we can find from here. What is the capacity in kilometers? In kilometers we have to find. So firstly you can convert these into kilometer. This is R, this is H, and then 1 by 3 pi r square h, you will get the volume in kilometers. Next question, volume of right circular cone. Here volume given and diameter of base given. Firstly height we have to find. So here this is also same as question number 3rd and 4th. We find radius, that is 14. Volume is here h from 1 by 3 pi r square h. Once you will get h, then by applying Pythagoras theorem, L we have to find and curved surface area we have to find. Okay, so by Pythagoras theorem, L is equal to square root of h square plus r square. We can find the value of L. This is second part. In third part we have to find curved surface area. We use the formula pi r L. Put the value of pi, radius and slant height, and we can get the curved surface area in square meter. Okay. Next question. Right triangle ABC with side 5 cm, 12 cm, 13 cm is revolved about the side 12 cm. Find the volume of the solid so obtained. Here a right triangle ABC given with side 5, 12 and 13. This is a right triangle ABC with sides 5, 12 and 13, and it is revolved about the side 12 centimeter. Revolved around the side, it means it is revolved like this. Okay, so this will become base and this will become height. दिस इज अ ट्राइंगल. ट्राइंगल को बेटा आपने ऐसे घुमाया है, रिवॉल्व किया है, सो इट विल बिकम अ कोन. सो दिस इज हाइट, ये हाइट बनेगा और ये क्या बन जाएगा, बेस. सो हेयर r is 5 and h is 12 and 1/3 pi r square h we can find the volume. Now same is question number 8. Here the revolution is about the side 5, means in this question, in this time, r will be 12 and h will be 5. Okay, question number 7 r will be 5 and in question number 8 r will be 12. So you try these questions. If any doubt is there, you can discuss with me in Zoom class. And last question also left, that also we can discuss. Heap of wheat is in the form of a cone whose diameter and height given. The heap is to be covered by canvas to protect it from rain. Find the area of the canvas required. Firstly, volume we have to find, that is 1/3 pi r square h. Okay, r is half of the diameter and h is already there. Volume you can find. Next they are saying that heap of wheat is to be covered to protect from rain with the canvas. So area of canvas we have to find. Now you know the heap is covered from the upside, not from the base. Now it means here we have to find curved surface area. Okay, so firstly you will find L by using Pythagoras theorem as we have discussed in question number 6, and then you find curved surface area by pi r L. Okay, so beta try these questions. Any doubt is there, then discuss with me in Zoom class. Okay, thank you.